We're going to demonstrate our BS20. Just going to go ahead and load a bar. Get it in position and ready for the extractor collar. Now that the extractor collar is loaded, we go ahead and run the machine. Standard Fanuc control. Here we go. Going to run the main spindle, low RPM forward, low RPM reverse. Get a chance to see it rev up. Get a chance to watch the axes full travel up and down. Four driven pulls. Forward, reverse. And we're going to run our step spindle. 4 RPM forward, 4 RPM reverse. Rapid, all 3 back working stations. And there we go. Complete cycle on our BS20. Machine's in really good condition. It's been in service since the early 2000s. And it's primarily used for running steels, plastics, aluminum, basic products that we manufacture for our company. Has a high pressure system on it, standard filtration, and the LNS bar feeder. And it's ready to go today. Take care.